So we just finished the 8th garden of the urban garden project for Miss Arender. She has banana pepper plants. She has chocolate mint in the back. 3 lavender plants. German thyme and Greek oregano. She also has sweet basil and rosemary, but this was already here. 3 nasturtium flowers. They're edible flowers. You can eat the leaves as well as the petals. You can put the flower in salads. It has a peppery taste. She has some bell pepper plants. Cucumbers. We have them growing up this trellis here. 2 cherry tomato plants. And some glass gem corn. Grow your own food.